Hey guys, okay, so we are doing a YouTube video. Oh, now they're going away. Why? Come back over here. I don't know why they went away.
They were with me. Mom, they ran away because I ran away. Why is that thing following me? They want.
Don't hit it with your gun. They're hungry. Aunt Tiffy's bringing the food. I just fed them the last of it this morning, but they think they need to eat so much. So anyways, all the chickens were over here. Clarease, come here. Clarease. All the chickens were over here, and it was so cute, but they ran off. I don't know where they went. Hey was even over here.
Oh, Mom, they ran off behind the garage or something because they...
Clarease is going to come over here. Come here.
Too.
Come here. Don't look at me crazy. Come here, side. Come here. Come here, Clarease. What's this one's name? We don't have a name for any of them but this one. Clarease, come here. Are they coming back? This brown one and this white one always hang back. CJ says he hates them. Even Clarease is going.
There's bees over there.
And you're scared of bees?
No, of course I am.
CJ's scared of everything.
He's scared of everything.
We have a Jurassic Park going on over here. Clinton went and bought dang, even over here.
Hey, Mom, you just...
Clinton went and bought a mower. Oh, God, I stepped on the ant trail. We haven't... Look at this. I don't know why we're doing YouTube videos over nothing, but the ant trail. I don't know why. It goes clear back. Huh. Anyways.
They're probably working together.
Trey's trying to lure the chickens back. I don't really want them by the gate. I was just there. You know, because if they go by the gate, they might jump on the fence and then the dogs will get them.
Hey, Mom.
We had 2 huskies.
Now in your garden.
Just right back over there. And
Mom, your caterpillar, those caterpillar things might be on
those 2 huskies, we'd yell at them. Molly was going crazy. They better stay away because if my chickens start dropping off, I'll be mad.
And I'll kill them.
You will not kill them. But I may shoot them with a pellet gun. But first I'm going to find the owners. And I'm going to warn them. They live off over there. So, if y'all know anyone with 2 huskies that live near me, or, I mean, I am going to drive around and see if I can see. Or maybe Clinton knows where they belong. I don't know, but they better stay out of my yard.
Mom, do not yell at those
because my chickens matter too. Just as much as their huskies. Plus, I don't really trust huskies much. I mean, it's hard for me too because just right away.
Don't yell at those people. Those people.
Fear of huskies and German shepherds and anything that looks similar to a Malamute.
German shepherd.
But anyways, who doesn't have that fear? They're scary looking dogs.
I saw the husky right over there.
Over there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Have you ever seen those dogs around here?
Well, yeah.
When?
Running on the roads.
Where? Trey has got a pack of chickens over here.
Whenever I was over there, I saw one run down onto the dirt road. One running on the dirt road.
They think you have something. Do we have any veggies or something in there?
Yeah.
He's got an old watermelon rind. He's luring them around with. Even Hey back there. The leader of the pack. Little country boys. So we're gonna go in here.
I am.
I don't know what in here's like. Oh, okay, it's not bad. Kobe was watching the baby. That's true. Oh, I have it all zoomed. Good job.
I thought a dog came.
Huh?
Mom, I thought a dog went out and was killing a chicken.
I didn't know what was happening.
Mom, Kansas City Royals.
Oh, shoot. Who's winning? Who they playing?
Royals.
Okay, anyways, that's what's up. I was just going to show you the chickens. Yeah, like, subscribe, and share.